And we are going to dive into one of the most essential aspects of our beauty routine, skincare. Celebrity beauty expert Michelle Phillips is here to help guide us down the perfect skincare routine, literally step by step. How are you?
I'm so good now that I'm here with you.
I love
hanging out with you. We're always talking beauty.
And I'm always asking questions.
Yes, and I thought today's segment was really important because it's interesting how many women really come to me and say, what should I use in my skincare routine? And not necessarily ingredients, but should I use a toner? What is a serum? You know,
what's the order?
Is an eye cream, what's the order? People are always asking that as well. So we're going to cover that today.
Cleanse, I'm assuming, is first, right?
Yes, absolutely. We want to clean our skin, definitely after we have, you know, at the end of the day with dirt and oil in our skin and makeup possibly. A lot of people like to use makeup wipes. And that's fine if you want to use that initially, but you still need to cleanse your face afterwards because you wouldn't believe how much makeup you leave behind with the wipes. Also, a lot of people love the oil cleansers. I love them.
I've never tried one yet.
Oh, it feels so luxurious on your skin, and you massage your skin. To me, it's really good to, you know, get that circulation going, use that oil to massage, and you wouldn't believe how that oil is not feeling greasy like you would think.
But I feel like there's a but coming up here.
Yes, but I always follow up with some kind of a light cleansing, you know, foaming cleanser to actually wash off that residue, because again, with the oil, it could leave a residue, and it could, you know, could be a little heavy for some skin types.
Okay, toner. I love the feeling of toner.
Yes. Some people don't like toner. It's not necessary to use a toner, but I encourage people to use it to take off the residue from the rest of their makeup or dirt and oil that could still be on their skin, and prep your skin for the products that you're going to be using to actually moisturize and hydrate your skin.
And that's the next question. To serum to moisturizer, what is next?
That's right. I use the serum next.
Serum's next,
so serums, so many people ask me about serums, but what they are they're targeted towards whatever your skincare concern is. So it might be hydration, it might be exfoliation, it may be discoloration, whatever that is. I use a serum in the morning to, preferably vitamin C for me, because it's always good for your skin, and then you let that absorb, and the serums are actually formulated with their molecular structure to go a little bit deeper into the skin than the moisturizer. So you think of it kind of like a vitamin for your skin. And then you follow it up by using your eye cream.
Which, this is one thing too. People are like, well, if I can't, I just use my regular moisturizer and put it on the eye. Why is the difference of eye cream so important to you?
Yeah, so think of your skin underneath your eyes as like as thin as tissue paper. And then your face, let's think of it like a construction paper. So your tissue underneath your eyes is very delicate. You don't have the oil glands to moisturize and hydrate. So if you want to prevent from those fine lines and wrinkles, use that eye cream. Plus, if you have things like hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, caffeine, those three ingredients will help reduce puffiness. It will help, you know, with dark circles. And those are some things that,
morning television, I gotta get rid of the eye bags. That's like key for me.
That's what I say. I'm like, skincare is more important than the makeup, because you need less makeup when you have good skin. So definitely, and then moisturize. A lot of people say, oh, we're here in Florida, I don't need a moisturizer. My skin feels oily, you know, because of the humidity. Well, you have to really hydrate your skin and protect your skin. That oil is from the humidity is good for your skin, but it's not going to do what you really want to do to protect your skin, and that's use a daytime moisturizer that's lightweight if that's what you prefer. For me, I'm getting older, in my late 50s, so I like a heavier moisturizer. And then at night when you sleep is when your skin is actually repairing itself, so you definitely want to use a night cream.
A specific night cream. We only have seconds left. I want to throw this out there though. When it comes to moisturizers with SPF, if you do something after that has SPF in it, does it matter? Does the SPF go after the moisturizer?
I do it after the moisturizer, yes. Or you can, like you said, some of these SPFs are moisturizers as well as SPFs.
Or makeup primers. Those are my new favorite ones.
I know, those are great too. But definitely #1 cause of aging on our skin is sun damage. So cover.
Good stuff. You always bring it down for us. We love that, Michelle. Good to see you. And of course, we want to share your website. MichellePhillips.com is where you can go and also follow her on social networking as well.